Hey guys, I have a keyboard, Logitech keyboard. It is not switching on. Let's try to switch it on. What happened was I was not using this keyboard for a long time and left the battery inside it. So the battery got corrupted and I think there is carbon on the other side of the keyboard. So now if I switch it on, it's not showing. The batteries are good because it is working on the remote, so it should switch on, but it is not switching on. You can clearly see there must be a light here. So I'm going to open it. So this is a 10-year-old keyboard and the glue is still working. Amazing, right? Perfectly intact glue. So let's open it. So I'm hoping for the simple trouble of that carbon deposition on the heads of the battery, and I'll be able to scratch it off and it will work. Otherwise I don't know how to solve it. Yes, there is some amount of rust here. You clearly see. Otherwise it is built like tank. Amazing. Logitech, there is a metal sheet here, so this is very nicely built. You can get this keyboard now for approximately 2000 rupees. The keys are not good. I don't like the keys. You can connect 3 devices and you can keep your tablet. This is a 10-year-old keyboard. I guess I have scratched it enough. It should work. We'll try to. Yes, I switched on, right? Switched on. It worked. This is like the one of the oldest trick in the book for a technician. Find some carbon deposition on the nodes, rub it off and it works. Amazing. So here I solved the problem of a keyboard that went bad because of the carelessness of leaving the old battery inside and not using it forever. So I have not used this keyboard for I guess 5 years, and that created a problem. So that simple problem of that rust development here stops the current flow. That will not work. Now it will work. Subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day. Light came on. It's working.